Ever dreamed of starting your own business but don't know where to start? Today we're diving into the easiest businesses to start with little investment and that can be highly profitable. Let's find the perfect business idea for you. Hi, my name is Nurul Chowdhury and I'm a business consultant. On this channel, you will find tips and strategies to start and grow your business. Either you are a total newbie or a seasoned business owner, you will find something that will be helpful for you. So hopefully you will look around. If you're looking to start an online business but don't know where to start, then this video can be helpful for you to find the right idea to go for. Now, there's a video I did last week on transition from employee to entrepreneur at the age of 59. You might want to watch that video. I'll put the link below in the description. So let's make things clear before we go any further. I'm not going to show you how to click a magic button and then become rich instantly. This doesn't work. If you see those videos online, then you might know or have realized by now that they're just, showing you how to do things, but it really isn't a consistent business model. So what I'm going to teach you is literally, you can take it as a new business, quitting your job and make it successful. So let's go ahead and see how it goes. Now, there's going to be two steps. First of all, I'm going to help you understand what you have as qualities, expertise, or knowledge, or even a passion that you want to go for. And then secondly, at the end of this exercise, I'm going to show you the three models that I think is profitable. And you can start with what you discover during this exercise I'm going to give you. And hopefully you will understand that this business model can be an easy process to work on. So let's go ahead. First, we will try to understand what you have to offer to this world, what expertise you have, what knowledge you have, what skill sets you have. So we will go by asking a few questions here, and that might give you some clear indication to where you want to go, right? So let's go for the first few questions. First of all, what are you good at? List down all the things you know how to do. So don't forget that you are one step ahead of the person you're going to teach. And it can be that that person doesn't know that and you can teach them that. So always think it that way, that what do I know that I can teach the person just who is less knowledgeable than I am and can help that person move forward, right? So that's first question. What is something that you're doing for ages and it's like a no-brainer for you? It's automated, right? It's something that you don't even think about it. You just do it. Like for me, I'm a finance professional. Sorry, I'm a finance professional, and I do a lot of Excel work. And for me, it's just click, 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 everywhere. And for me, I don't even know what I'm doing at times, and I see that it's done, right? That's something. Or for example, you're driving, you're in your thoughts, but you actually reach the destination without knowing sometimes. I don't know if you have realized that, because your subconscious mind is working on that. And that's a sort of a process that has been built inside you. So that's what I'm trying to make you. Long story short is that what do you do that you have been practicing for ages and it's a second nature for you? It's something that you could teach someone who doesn't know about it, right? Also, what is something that you could talk about on a topic? If somebody tells you, okay, please talk to me about this, and you could talk about 30 minutes or an hour without any hesitation, without any preparation. So that's something, is knowledge that you could share with the world and people could learn, and people will obviously pay for that if you have the right way of putting things, presenting them properly. It can also be something that you want to learn. Like for example, I wanted to learn coaching. I wanted to learn digital marketing. So I took certification on them. I have a business coach certification, and I have also a digital marketing certification. That is why, because I want to use the service. I like them. I want to get away from financial data analysis and all that, and I want to get into this more. So I invested myself in learning those, and now I want to provide them as a consultant, as a business consultant, I am trying to provide them to my clients. In that I have the budgeting, forecasting, cost reduction, cash flow management, revenue growth. All this comes from financial side, also marketing side. And at the same time, I'm also inputting coaching into it. So is there something you want to learn? You can invest and then provide as a service, right? So think about that too. Also, sometimes there can be a passion, right? Are you passionate about something? Every passion has money. You just need to find and research properly how you want to teach it. I've seen business owners who are teaching painting, right? And they're making money. Some are teaching cooking. Some are teaching how to knit. Some are teaching how to train the dogs. So this is all business. It's because these are skill sets they have and they've converted into a business. So they are all in coaching or they're doing course creation. But course creation, remind you, I'm not going to teach you that here. I'm not going to talk to you about that here because it takes time to build all that stuff. So I'm trying to do something that is easy to go for, right? The three things to remember. The goal is to find something that you are comfortable doing. Secondly, that you're passionate about, because you'll be doing this business for a while. You don't want to do a business for a year or two and then say, I'm fed up. I don't like this. I want to change. So that is, losing time, right? And thirdly, that it is profitable. It does make you money. You don't want to go into something that's crickets. There's no customers, no demand, no offer, and you're just trying to reinvent. You're trying to invent something there which is not there, right? So that will not make you money, right? So I hope you will do the exercise and try to find out what you are good at, what you can teach, or if you don't have anything, what can you learn that will help you teach, right? You want to get out of your 9 to 5, so you need to have something to bring on board to start a business. So you might have to invest, or if you have the skill set, then you don't need to invest. Like, for example, I could have gone for, say, providing accounting services, but I don't want to do that. That's because I don't like it. But I can provide consultancy services on financial processes, like how to reduce costs, how to do budgeting, how to do revenue forecasting, cost analysis. All these are consultancy services I can provide. So it's a different. I'm not doing the work myself, but I'm guiding if I make sense. So you need to find that link, what you feel good at and what you can do. So now I'm going to reveal to you the 3 models that I think are profitable and can be done at a very minimal effort and also cost wise. So I'm going to link a video at the bottom of this in the descriptions here below. It is to how to start a business with a limited budget. So I've given some tips and tricks, but it's not the best way to start. But if you don't have money, that could help you get on with it, right? So the 3 business ideas I'm talking about is, one is coaching. I've been talking to you all along the video. One is consulting, and one is providing service as a freelancer. Coaching, there are courses out there that provide, say, in 2 months you can get a certification of coaching, and then you can provide the services, right? Consulting, if you have some knowledge in some sort of area, you can guide the business in doing that. So that's consulting. Business, or could be relationship, could be money wise. And the third one is freelancer, right? So basically, you know how to say, well, for example, becoming an accountant, right? So I could provide bookkeeping services. That would be freelancing because I'm doing the service. I could provide also, say, for example, not being an agency or not being into consulting, I could provide Facebook ad services. I could provide social media content. I could provide VA services, virtual assistants, right? Sorry for the language. I'm Frenchy, Bangladeshi, Irish now. So I have multiple languages in me. Plus, I've lived in the Middle East, so that makes a lot of cultural mix in me. So anyway, let's get back to what we were saying. So you can do that too, but as a freelancer, you might not get that much of what you call money as you would get as a consultant or a coaching, because you could create packages around certain topic. Say, for example, like you start a topic as starting your online business, or get your cash flow optimized, or get your business operations optimized. That's my focus, So, or as a freelancer, I could have been bookkeeping services. So it's a different service. It's a lot of work and less, it's profitable, but it's still, there's work to be done there. Anyway, I hope you like these different topics I've talked about. Now, please don't forget to do the exercise. It will really help you. Try to understand what is there that you have in you. Every single person has something that they can provide in this world. If you do a research, you'll find the niches that are there. People are doing businesses that's surprising, that you'd never think that this is possible. Really possible? Yes, it is. There are funny niches out there, and people are making loads of money. But funny niches, I don't mean funny in sense of, obscure niches, but it's really niches that you'd never think of doing business on. But there are people doing it and they're making loads of money. Anyway, so I hope you like this video. Please do leave a comment. I would like to know what decisions you have made. Now, the other thing is, if you feel stuck and you need help, you can book a call with me. I do focus sessions of 60 minutes where we can dive deep into your business idea. And at the end of 60 minutes, I will help you come up with a strategy, an idea of a business that you want to go with. And from there, either you want to work with me further, or you're good to go and start your own business. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like to my channel. Talk to you next week.